Hello students, today we will do chapter 2 Physical Quantities and Measurement part 3. In this part we will discuss about concept of temperature and area. Let's start. First of all we will discuss topic concept of temperature. Whenever we put our hand in hot water, it feels hot, but whenever we put it in cold water, it feels cold. This is because temperature of the hot water is more than our body temperature and temperature of the cold water is less than our body temperature. This difference in temperature that gives the feeling of hotness or coldness. So, temperature is a measurement of hotness or coldness of an object. A hot object has a higher temperature than cold object. Temperature is expressed in degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. If you want to now next topic is measurement of temperature. If you want to measure the temperature, there is a device. That device is called thermometer. So temperature is measured by a device which is called thermometer. A thermometer has a marking which are used to read the value of the temperature. Thermometer basically consists of two words, thermo that means heat and meter to measure. So, thermometer is a device which is used to measure heat. A thermometer has two glass tubes, an outer one and inner one, placed one inside the other, and glass bulb. The inner glass tube is a thin capillary tube whose lower end is attached to the glass filled with mercury. When the glass bulb is placed in anything hot, mercury in the inner capillary tube expands and rises. The shining mercury is visible through the outer glass tube graduated with marking. The height of the mercury column gives the temperature of the body. Next topic is type of thermometer. There are basically two types of thermometer. First is clinical thermometer, second is laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of human body and laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of objects in laboratory. Now we will discuss these types of thermometer one by one. First is clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to measure temperature of human body. It has very narrow temperature range from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Because the normal temperature of human body is about 37 degrees Celsius. So the lowest mark in the clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius and highest is 42 degrees Celsius. Clinical thermometer has a kink in the mercury column which prevents a backflow of mercury. So the temperature of the human body can be reached after taking it out from the body. Next type is laboratory thermometer or laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer is used to measure temperature of the objects in the laboratory. It can measure temperature ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. It has no kink in the mercury column, so its temperature falls immediately when it is taken out from the body. Or from the object, but we use this thermometer is used to find out the temperature of the object in laboratory. Next topic is correct method of measurement. To get an accurate reading of temperature, it is important to understand the correct method of measurement by a thermometer. While using a laboratory thermometer, it should be held vertically and should not touch the sides or bottom of the container. Reading should be taken by keeping the level of the mercury along the line of sight. It should not be held by the bulb as it may break. For clinical thermometer, it should be washed before and after use. Ensure the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius before use. Don't hold the thermometer by bulb while reading it. Reading should be taken by keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. so that you can read correct reading. Our next topic is the units of temperature. Temperature is expressed in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. In Celsius scale is named after scientist Andreas Celsius and it is expressed as a degree Celsius, while Fahrenheit scale named after Daniel Fahrenheit is expressed as a degree Fahrenheit. In a Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is at 0 degrees Celsius, that is freezing point of water, and upper fixed point is at 100 degrees Celsius, that is boiling point of water. The space between these 2 points is divided by 100 units. Each unit referred to 1 degree Celsius. Similarly, in Fahrenheit scale, lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So, there are 2 units, that is degree Celsius and Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit. Our next topic is concept of area. The surface covered or enclosed by given surface of an object is called its area. Unit of area is meter square or square meter. How can we measure area? We can measure area of regular surfaces like square, rectangle, triangle by using the formula or graph paper. Whenever we use a formula, there are some formulas which are used to find out the area of the regular shapes, like square having formula length into length because 2 sides are equal, rectangle sides are unequal so length into breadth, and for triangle, for measurement of area of triangle, we can use the formula 1/2 base into height. Units of area. Area is a physical quantity, so it has some unit. Unit of area are square centimeter, square meter, and square kilometer. We can find area of the regular object by using graph paper. What is graph paper? A graph paper is a grid made of equally spaced horizontally and vertical lines. The smallest square of grid is considered to be 1 unit. A grid can be square centimeter grid or square millimeter grid. If you want to measure the area of any regular shape using graph paper, then first of all you will place that object on the graph paper and you will draw its outline and remove that object, then count the number of full squares and then count the number of half squares. Then you will use a formula area of the object is equal to number of full squares plus 1/2 number of half or more than half squares. So by using this method you can measure the area of any regular object using graph paper. So in this chapter, in 3 videos, we have studied about concept and measurement of length, mass, time, temperature and area. For length, we use the devices like meter rod, ruler, measuring tape. For mass, we use the devices, we studied devices, beam balance and electronic balance. For time, we studied about the devices like clock, watch, stopwatch. To measure temperature, we use devices clinical or laboratory thermometer. To find out the area, first we can either use formulas or that is fixed formulas, or you can use graph paper. So in this chapter we have studied about physical quantities and how can we measure those physical quantities by various methods. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.